Sir, in the last video, we covered the first feature, data hiding. Clear, right? So, outside person should not access our data directly. By using private modifier, we can implement data hiding. The biggest advantage is security. Sir, you know, the highly recommended modifier for variable data member is always private. Even in the last videos also somewhere I covered, because to implement data hiding, private must be required. Highly recommended modifier for variables is always what? Private. Okay, well. Now, the next cinema, what I have to talk, the second whoop feature, very important, sir, abstraction. Are you getting? What is the concept, sir? Abstraction is the second important whoop feature, abstraction, like this, right? So take a bit very special care about this terminology, abstraction, right? What the point is? Can you please tell what is abstraction? Have you heard anywhere about this one? Forget about programming. In our day-to-day life, abstraction. Have you ever heard about this one? Yes, friends. Abstraction. Okay? Sir, his mind is always abstract. He is not open-minded person. Regarding he is not open-minded person. There, everything is abstraction. They are not going to provide complete information. So something like abstract means not complete. Not complete. In the last session somewhere we covered abstract class. Have you remembered, right? Abstract class. Abstract class means partially implemented, not completely provided class. Partial. That is not complete. Such type of word is nothing but abstraction. Okay, well. Sir, in the whoops, sir, which feature is called abstraction? Very simple, sir. Hiding internal implementation. Hide internally how it is implemented. Hiding internal implementation, just highlight the set of services what we are offering. Sir, these are the services what I'm going to offer. So I'm going to tell that. But how internally these services are implemented? Sorry, don't ask security reasons. I don't want to highlight my internal implementation. Are you getting? So hiding internal implementation, just highlight the set of services what we are going to offer is the concept of abstraction. Are you getting that? So it's a very important concept. Compulsory while implementing, whoops, we have to take care. Because if I'm going to expose my internal code to any person, then automatically where is the security for our code? That's why. So this feature must be compulsory required. Hide internal implementation, just highlight the set of services what we are going to offer is the concept of abstraction. Sir, best example, sir. I hope everyone in this session, everyone who is seeing this video, used at least once your ATM card. Okay, to withdraw money, ATM card at least once you use it, right? Sir, if you go to ATM center, if you swipe the card, then immediately it's going to ask enter PIN number. Yes, I'm going to enter PIN number 1234. Once I entered PIN number, then immediately, so which operation you want to do? Withdraw operation. Click withdraw button from savings account, 10,000 rupees, enter 10,000, submit. Now, immediately you are going to get 10,000. Yes, like this. We did several times. Now, in this process, I have several doubts are there, sir. What I did is, one fine day, I went to bank. Observe very carefully, sir. I went to the bank. Near ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank, I went. Once I entered into the bank, on the right-hand side, do you know on the right-hand side, so there is one customer care or reception or something like will be there. So may I help you? So may I help you? Like, sir, there is one center is there, sir. May I help you? Like one sir, cabin by default will be there. Very cute lady is going to sit most of the times, like. Then I went there. Madam, related to my ATM card usage, I have several doubts are there. Can you please help? Like this, I asked this lady. Then immediately, that lady is telling, yes, sir, why not? You can ask your doubts, I can clarify. Like. Now, the first question I asked that lady, Madam, whenever I swipe my card, enter pin number, internally what thing is happening, like this I asked. Then immediately that lady told, sir, your card is the valid or not, it is going to check, our software is going to check, like, madam, up to that I know, but my requirement is, internally, which code is executing, is it Java code or Python code or .NET code? Next, is that a validation, authentication, checking validation, is it happening in the ATM machine or somewhere in the server? If it is happening inside server, okay, where is the location of that server? Are you getting, where is the location, what is the IP address, what is the username and password? Next, which SQL query is triggering? Can you please let me know? Like this I ask. Are you getting right? Immediately, sir, if you don't mind, just wait here for few minutes. I will call my next level. That person can guide you, like she entered inside. She had a discussion with the manager. Those people made a phone call to 100 saying, someone came, he is asking about internally server location, IP address and so on. We thought that he is the hacker. Can you please come, like they made a call to policeman. Within 10 minutes, policeman is going to come in front of me. Are you able to get right? So, you are the valid customer of the bank. You have already ATM card. Sir, you can able to use this card, but you should not aware internally how that functionality is implemented. Are you getting right? So, if you want to validate, enter, swipe the card, enter PIN number, that's all. Internally validation is going to be happen. Hurry, how the validation is going to be happen? Sorry, bank people, they never going to highlight their internal implementation. Okay, now if you click withdraw button, if you click withdraw button, sir, I'm taking withdraw button. If you click withdraw button, if you enter 10,000, so you will get a 10,000. So internally, how this functionality is implemented, which SQL query is executing, where is the database server is locating, all these things, bank people, they never going to highlight. Are you in the position to understand, right? So this is the, this type of feature is nothing but abstraction, sir. Bank people through ATM GUI screen are getting through ATM GUI screen. They are going to highlight the set of services what they are offering. So ICICI Bank ATM Center, they are going to tell, even very recently they got one world sir, mini bank ATM machine itself is nothing but mini bank counter, like they got some award. They are going to tell, boss, these are 15 services we are going to offer through ATM machine. Like ICICI Bank people are going to tell very proudly. So withdraw facility is there, deposit facility is there, next fund transfer facility is there, so request for checkbook, like there are multiple services you can able to get from ATM machine. But internally, how these services are implemented, at least one service also they never going to highlight. Are you able to identify? Are you able to understand the point, right? So this concept itself is nothing but abstraction. So in our coding also, compulsory we have to maintain this type of feature. Hide the internal implementation and highlight the set of services what we are going to offer is the concept of abstraction. Is it clear for all of you, right? So by using GUI screens interface concept, we can able to implement abstraction. Sir, best example at a programmatic level. Just observe this one, sir. Suppose I want to develop a Java application. Assume that it is the Java application, right? Now there are some services are available, withdraw, funds transfer, deposit, like there are several services are available, right? Now, sir, a UI based application, .NET application wants to communicate with this. .NET application wants to communicate with our Java application. So, if you want to call withdraw, just you have to call from your code M1. Okay, in the middle, I will expose all my services through some interface. Sir, M1, M2, M3, M4, something like it is an interface. Regarding itself is interface. .NET person has to call M1 method. internally, whenever this person is calling M1, internally, which method is going to execute? Maybe some withdraw method is going to execute. The required result we are going to offer to this .NET person. We never going to highlight internally this application, how it is implemented. Are you able to understand, right? So, because of this abstraction, because of this interface concept, two different applications also can communicate with each other. Yes, can communicate with each other without highlighting our internal implementation. Everyone can able to understand? So, abstraction is how much important in our day-to-day coding in real time. Please make sure you should aware. So, if the interview person is asking, what is abstraction? Can you please tell what the answer you can able to tell? Yes, friends, what answer you can able to tell? You can tell what answer? Okay, hiding internal implementation, just highlight the set of services what we are offering is the concept of abstraction. Okay, clear? By using such GUI screens interface concept, we can able to implement abstraction. Okay, like sir, now what are various advantages of abstraction? So best example for abstraction is ATM GUI screen. Bank people are going to highlight several services, but they never going to highlight internally how these services are implemented. Okay, like, sir, what advantages are there because of abstraction? Sir, the first advantage, right? Take very special care. What is the first advantage, right? The first advantage is wherever hiding is there, the biggest advantage what we are going to get is security. Are you getting? Wherever hiding is there, the biggest advantage what we are going to get is security is the biggest advantage, right? Okay, like, sir, now the second advantage what we are going to get, the second advantage is, sir, very simple. Outside person don't know about internal implementation. Sir, ATM machine, GUI screen contain some buttons, that's all. We never highlighted internally how these withdraw facility, deposit facility, funds transfer facility implemented. I never going to highlight. So outside person doesn't aware internally how my services is implemented. That's why first thing, security by default we are going to get. First biggest advantage, right? Now second biggest advantage what we are going to get is very important points are, take a bit special care. Second biggest advantage what we are going to get is, suppose tomorrow this functionality already implemented by using Java. I thought that Java is not good performance wise. Okay, a new language came, Java language came. I want to replace this Java functionality with Java functionality. Okay, internally I performed that change, but GUI screen is always same. GUI screen is always same, sir. Now end user, whenever you click withdraw, earlier Java functionality is executed, but now onwards it is Java functionality is executed. Now the point is, without affecting end user, we can able to perform any changes in our internal design. Are you getting right? So we can able to change technology itself by maintaining same GUI screen. So is there any effect on the end user? No effect, because end user what is seeing is always the same, but internally how that functionality is implemented, yes, we can able to perform any changes. That's why if you are following abstraction, if you are implementing abstraction, the biggest advantage is, yes, enhancement will become very easy. Are you getting? Enhancement will become very easy without affecting end user. Happily we can able to perform any type of changes in that. Clear for you? Are you in the position to understand, right? That's all. This is the second important point. Now the third point. Take very special care, sir. This is the second. Next, if abstraction is there, if you are not going to highlight your internal implementation to the outside person, okay, maintainability of the application is going to be improved. Maintainability of the application is going to be improved. Modularity of the application is going to be improved, sir. Okay, so compulsory while developing the code, while developing the programming, we should aware abstraction. So security is the one advantage, enhancement is the another advantage, maintainability of the application, modularity of the application is going to be improved. That's all. Getting the basic idea what is abstraction, what advantages are there, how you can implement abstraction by using interfaces concept, GUI screens, like by using interface GUI screens, by using API we can able to implement abstraction. Okay, so can you please tell what is the definition of abstraction? If any person is asking, just in one line you have to tell, hide internal implementation, just highlight the set of services is the concept of abstraction. What is the biggest advantage of abstraction? Security is the biggest advantage of abstraction. That's all, friends.